Hey everybody, Sea Dog here. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, hit that like, hit that subscribe. I try to answer all the comments. So, hey, show a brother some love. Subscribe. But today, guess what we got? Dun dun dun. Borla. Okay, for this one, you guys already know. Normally, I would wrench it myself, but I got such a good deal on an installation option with a lift that this one, I'm just gonna sit back, relax, and watch the install. So stay tuned. It's like 80 some degrees. Let's take a look and see what's in this big ass box, huh? Looks like some clamps. Oh, hat, holla. Some decals, instructions. And then we'll dig a little deeper. Right side. Left side. But wait, there's more. There's that X pipe. And yet there's more. Wow. Look at that. This is going to replace the resonator in the back. So this is the hanger, and then the tailpipe connects up to that end. So I don't know what size that is, but for now I'm going to put the factory tips back on. And this is the left muffler assembly. BorlaAtak. And then we're going to take all the pieces and parts to the shop. Okay, so here's what we got. So, middle section for the actuators. No mufflers, no mid mufflers. The X pipe. So looks like a connection here. And a connection here. And then of course, you know, the tips connect here. And here. The size of that little barrel. Fancy little design. All right. Good Saturday morning. It's install day. The BorlaAtak. So let's enjoy the last garage start, cold start of the mid muffler delete to the cold start. Here we go. When in doubt, cut it out. Let's see what we got here. I'm assuming that's your blood. I think it's just a pen mark.
Oh, so it might be my blood. I don't know.
I think it's a pen mark. I hope it's a pen mark.
I don't see blood anywhere anymore. So. I do like those resonators off to the side like that.
Yeah, that is kind of cool.
Yeah.
It actually gives it more probably sound towards the outside.
Right. You would assume so. I don't know for sure.
I wondered about this here too.
Yeah.
It's the way they did that.
I like that. No.
It's almost like,
4 chambers.
yep, 4 different chambers.
Yeah. Give it a little deeper sound. I think that's what that does.
Well, what do you think? Pain in the ass? Worth it?
Find out.
It's definitely got a different, more of a low tone to it. I guess more of that, like, I guess the word is growl to it. You know, and on acceleration and slow down. So like right now I don't have my foot on the gas at all. But you can definitely tell that it's just not obnoxiously loud. There's a better growl to it. Mid muffler delete, don't get me wrong. Couple $100 and definitely does the trick. Alright, so we're going to go from a complete stop here. Judge. Well, YouTube, next morning we're gonna do a garage start. I'm actually gonna open the door though, you know, so I can annoy my neighbors. So this is the BorlaAtak. Start. Ooh, if I brought the right key. It is a nice morning though. So here we go. This is just your standard idle. So, mid-muffler delete definitely sounded obnoxious. This has more of that just grumble to it, the growl. So Definitely sounds better just sitting here, just idle, just. But yeah, morning everybody. Enjoy my messy garage, and Sea Dog out.